to something. I said potato juice. Like I'm slow or something. Hey, let me stop playing though. For real. Um, how do I describe last week on the market? Let's see, bro. Let's see. Hold on. Crazy. I can say that. Price closed at 550, which is kind of insane. Um, price went up, bro. Price went up to 550. Price started all the way down here. Price started all the way down here. I remember this because it was Monday, I believe. Yep, Monday. I was like, damn, this shit is a bear market, but shit, the next day came, it flipped. I don't know what. I think something with China and Trump. Uh, China has some good news. What is it? No. Something with some good news. Trying to get a deal done or whatnot, but we should see with all these news. I know. Speaking of news, uh, yeah, I'm pretty sure tech had went up. I want to say because of the Google earnings, for real. Because it was had earnings. That's like a big tech company or whatnot. Nobody for real last week. Not that I can think of. I mean Tesla and Google was like the only ones, but no real news to like Wednesday or whatnot. Yeah. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, no real news to like Wednesday. These the earnings. You feel me? The earnings for the week. The big ones that I see. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. I think them like the four biggest ones for real. I know PayPal, Snapchat, Starbucks, JetBlue, Coca Cola, Cat. You got Cat. You got McDonald's as well. You feel me? You gotta golly. Hold on. I gotta turn around it. Feel me? Bro, y'all know what I'm trying to say, bro. You got a whole bunch of stocks, a variety, nigga, of stocks. Just know I can say that word. Just feel me? My tongue be twisting sometimes. But anyway, um, you feel me? Let's go ahead and get into what I got written down. Um, I say, I say, Spy gotta go the 560 for it to be like calls like all day, every day. For the Bulls to really show that they got strength. I believe that it will go back down. I'm gonna get to what I got on my paper, but I do believe it will go back down. I'm looking at this right now. This look like some type of a nice. Well, it is. I already got it marked out. Maybe if I could see it a little better, if I had it a little darker. I gotta go change all these lines because I decided to go back to the white screen, which I don't got a problem with. I kind of miss it, and it kind of look better than the dark. Just you feel me? Change it up. Um, Plus, I do. I ain't gonna lie. I do like these clouds. Just learning how to, you feel me, work with them. Um, which I've been new, but now actually like paying attention to it. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, smooth. Uh, yeah. The clouds. Got my nigga Brett Clouds up there. Woody Woot. I do got these them little single lines, just because so I can see where like the EMAs are sort of at without having to like move my mouse down there or whatnot. But anyway, I do believe Spy's gonna go back down, but we shall see with all this news and all this other crazy stuff. I'm kind of kicking myself because I'm looking at a particular stock. I'm gonna go ahead and jump to it. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and jump to it. I just seen it off the 4 hour, and I was like, wow, this even got a retest. You feel me? Hold on, I'm gonna tell you what this candle right here got a retest. Boom, and the green one next to that. So with them two two candles. It was a retest. Head and Shoulders, clear as day, off the 4 hour, and it went up on Friday. I was just looking at this. I was like, wow, bro. Like, how can I didn't see that. You feel me? I did not see that. But a lot of other stocks had that as well. But since we on the video, above 115. 115 is a strong resistance. I just marked 115 out. I believe it was around here, like 114 something, 114 something, but 1150 on the video. If it go up and don't break, if it show like weak resistance, I probably would just short it off that level. But we shall see. We shall see. Don't know how pre-market, post-market is gonna work. Well, I ain't gonna. Hey, I know how they work, but I don't know what direction they're gonna move in. So, yeah. But let's go back to the top. I just had what's the name? No. We just gonna go to Apple. Boom, Apple. We just gonna go like this. I know I'm gonna have to go back down, but anyway. Apple. I got a move down to 204 range, back up to 110 plus. You feel me? Apple is above 200. Let me see if it was a retest on the 200 level ish. Nah, it's like it squeezed. It went up after, well, yeah, after market. You know, closest it got to, 200 was 201. Interesting. I still believe, like I said, I would like a move down, then a move up, possibly. I said 204. I ain't gonna lie, that's like a $4 stretch. I mean, I know it could happen, but we should see. For real. But I am anticipating a move down, maybe to 205 ish. You feel me? I don't know about 204, but somewhere around that range, definitely. Uh, Definitely waiting for a pullback on Apple. Let's go to the Qs. I don't have Microsoft marked out, but eventually I'm gonna have. Y'all gonna see. Y'all, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all. Uh, I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't even gonna. Y'all not even gonna see. I'm gonna just show y'all. But looking at the Qs right now, it's like it broke this resistance right here. Supply. It's like it broke right here. It broke it. What is this? Hold on. I wanna say this market itself. It is. I should have looked at 12. But anyway, yeah. It like it dojied at the 200. So, let me show y'all what I got written down. I'll tell y'all what I got written down. Qs 475 calls, under 475 puts. You feel me? 475 at this level right here. I really could move it up, but y'all niggas get the gist. The gist. Hold on. In fact, we just gonna, for the sake of the video, feel me? Cause why not? Cause we got 475 right here. Then we got this right here. 468. 468.80. Yeah. So just looking at, I ain't gonna let me just see something right fast. Looking at the Qs. Ain't gonna lie, this shit like damn near Head and Shoulders. another Head and Shoulders. I believe this on Amazon and Google as well. Crazy, but yeah. But anyway, cause it rejected it rejected this level like twice, but now it closed above. So could see some type of reaction in this 465.80 level. You feel me? But we should see. What we got next? We got Amazon next. I did. Damn. I ain't do this shit that fast, did I? Who did? I did Spy. I said Spy. I said, damn. Okay, smooth. Don't even worry about it. But anyway. Same with Amazon. Like I said, I'm pretty sure y'all can see the head and shoulders on Amazon. I mean, this shit kind of slanted head and shoulders. For real, they shit kind of weird, but anyway, straightforward. Amazon above 200 EMA. Amazon above this level, this 19433 level. I really said, yeah, that's what I said, 194. Yeah, but that's all I got. I'm getting better every day. Feel me? Even yesterday, I was down there. Come on, bro. I was back testing yesterday. But anyway, I'm gonna just be looking for, feel me, more. I'm gonna be looking for more like breaks and retests of support and resistance. I don't know why. Like I have like, I ain't gonna say I went away from support and resistance, but I'm not using support and resistance to its full ability. And now I'm seeing that I really have to do it. I mean, I've been seeing, I've been new, but I'm doing now. You feel me? So I'm pretty sure y'all will see a change in me. You feel me? Because then it's gonna be a year in this shit, and I ain't gonna say that, but I know they say don't put like a time frame on your success or whatnot in trading, and like what you wanna make and whatnot. But some shit you just know, like you just know, bro. Like even though I don't know, but I'm just around these niggas who are successful, and it just, bro, that shit just gonna have to rub off on me, like, you feel me, like, and I'm already seeing like it's rubbing off on me, like in a positive impact, and just have to keep back testing, keep writing in my journal, keep you feel me, be a perfect loser, what, be a better loser, you feel me, be a great loser. You feel me? That's only how you gonna win in this shit. I got something written down in a book. That shit's so crazy, but I got something written down like from the video. I remember the exact video too, the person name and all. I ain't gonna drop that name, but remember she was like profitable trader and a not so profitable trader, and I remember like writing both those traders down, and yeah, like definitely on that path, bro. Definitely on that path. But next week I'm gonna have Microsoft. I'm gonna have Microsoft, Google. This is what I'm gonna do next week. Google, Meta, and Microsoft, and probably and like how many ever other. I may do 7 stocks, but I may do 5. Who knows? Anyway, I do want to mark out Meta and Google, but we should see. Next Sunday, very optimistic about pre-market. I can't wait to see what 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Damn, I kind of forgot what's the name? What time do we start? Oh, don't do me like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn. I mean, it start 4 o'clock, but nigga, AQ, bro, them niggas start like 6 o'clock, bro. I remember. It's either 6 or 8 o'clock. I want to say 6. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Stock Sunday. Y'all know it. You feel me? Every Sunday, bro. I ain't stopped with this shit. I can literally go back and look at the date. I may have one hiccup, but still, I can still show y'all the date when I posted it, for real. I never missed a Sunday since I started saying I'm gonna post every Sunday, for real. But anyway, sip this water. Y'all have a good one. Y'all have a great Sunday. And I'll be back at this shit tomorrow. That part.